In this video, we'll be calculating the standard deviation using a 20-sided die. So 3, 16, 16, 7, 15, 4, 11, 3, 17, and 14. So we need to calculate the sum of all of those values, which is 106. And we'll find the mean, so 106 divided by 10 is 10.6. Okay. Next, we'll subtract 10.6 from each one of these values. So 3 minus 10.6 is negative 7.6. 16 minus 10.6 is 5.4. 5.4. 7 minus 10.6 is negative 3.6. 15 minus 10.6 will be 4.4. 4 minus 10.6 is negative 6.6. 11 minus 10.6 is 0.4. 3 minus 10.6 is negative 7.6. 17 minus 10.6 is 6.4. And finally, 14 minus 10.6 is 3.4. Okay, our next step is we will square each one of these values. So negative 7.6 squared is 57.76. 29.16. 29.16. Negative 3.6 squared is 12.96. 4.4 squared, 19.36. Negative 6.6 squared is 43.56. 0.16. Negative 7.6 squared is 57.76. 6.4 squared is 40.96. And 3.4 squared is 11.56. So our next step is we will sum each one of these squared deviations, which gives us 302.4. We'll calculate an unbiased standard deviation by dividing 302.4 by the number of trials minus 1. So 302.4 divided by 9 is 33.6. And finally, standard deviation, we'll take the square root, which gives us 5.8 approximately. Okay, so our standard deviation with our 20-sided die was 5.8 compared to 1.85 that we did with a 6-sided die. So we can see just by looking at the numbers that these numbers are significantly more spread out around that mean compared to these numbers here.